Welcome to another new Photoshop tutorial. Today I will hide these two photos in the blank layer. Select these two photos from the layers panel. You can select two photos by holding the Ctrl key from the keyboard. Click the right button. Click on Group from Layers. Enter any name you want. Click on the OK button. A group has been created with the photos. Set the group's opacity to 0%. Now click the right button on the group. Click on Convert to Smart Object. You can see that the group has been converted to a blank layer. Along with this, the opacity has also increased to 100% and the photos are hidden. If you want to see the hidden photos, double click here on the layer. You can see that a new document has been opened. Now go to the layer panel. Increase the opacity of the group to 100. Now look, the photos are showing. Thanks for watching the video.